Handling errors in Bill.com API SDK is crucial for building robust and reliable applications. This tutorial will guide you through the process of handling errors in a step-by-step manner. First, it is essential to understand the types of errors that can occur when using the Bill.com API SDK. These errors can be categorized into two main types: client-side errors and server-side errors. Client-side errors occur when the request sent to the API is invalid or malformed, while server-side errors occur when the API encounters an issue while processing the request. To handle errors, you need to catch and parse the error responses from the API. The Bill.com API SDK provides a robust error handling mechanism that includes error codes and messages. When an error occurs, the API returns an error response with a unique error code and a descriptive message. The next step is to implement try-catch blocks in your code to catch and handle exceptions. When an exception is caught, you can parse the error response to determine the error code and message. This information can be used to handle the error accordingly. For example, if you are using the Bill.com API SDK to create a new bill, you can wrap the code in a try-catch block to catch any exceptions that may occur. If an exception is caught, you can parse the error response to determine the error code and message, and then handle the error accordingly. Best practices for handling errors in Bill.com API SDK include logging error responses for debugging and auditing purposes, implementing retry mechanisms for transient errors, and providing user-friendly error messages to end users. In addition, it is essential to familiarize yourself with the Bill.com API SDK documentation, which provides detailed information on error codes and messages. This documentation can be used to handle errors in a more effective and efficient manner. By following these steps and best practices, you can build robust and reliable applications that handle errors in a robust and efficient manner. Remember to always log error responses, implement retry mechanisms, and provide user-friendly error messages to ensure a seamless user experience.